Energy-efficient kitchens with smart cooking techniques power up your savings. The kitchen is the heart of the home, but it can also be a major energy drain. Appliances like refrigerators and ovens constantly hum away, contributing significantly to your electricity bill and environmental footprint. However, don't despair. With a few adjustments in your kitchen routine and some smart cooking techniques, you can significantly reduce your energy consumption and become an eco-conscious chef. Energy-efficient essentials. The foundation of an energy-efficient kitchen lies in your appliances. Look for the Energy Star label when purchasing new equipment. These appliances are rigorously tested and meet strict energy efficiency standards, ensuring they consume less power while maintaining performance. Harnessing the power of nature. Sunlight is a free and abundant energy source. Take advantage of it. Open blinds and curtains during the day to illuminate your kitchen naturally, reducing reliance on electric lights. This simple step can contribute to significant energy savings, especially in kitchens with ample natural light. Smart cooking savvy. Now, let's delve into the world of smart cooking techniques that enhance efficiency. Right-sized cookware, using pots and pans that match the burner size is crucial. Smaller pans on large burners waste energy heating empty space, while large pans on small burners struggle for even heat distribution, requiring longer cooking times and higher energy consumption. The power of the lid. This simple act makes a big difference. Covering pots and pans while cooking traps heat and allows food to steam, leading to faster cooking times and reduced energy use. Strategic defrosting. Regularly defrost your refrigerator and freezer. Ice buildup acts as an insulator, forcing the appliance to work harder to maintain the desired temperature. Defrosting not only saves energy but also improves the efficiency and lifespan of your appliance. Bonus tips for energy-conscious cooks. Match the cooking method. Microwaves are generally more energy efficient for smaller portions compared to preheating an entire oven. Consider a toaster oven for small baking jobs instead of a large conventional oven. Utilize leftover heat. After turning off the stove top, take advantage of the residual heat to finish cooking or keep food warm for a short period. Planning power. Planning meals can minimize multiple appliance uses. For instance, cook multiple dishes while the oven is already preheated. Let it rest. Turn off appliances a few minutes before the end of cooking time. Food retains heat and continues to cook for a short while after being removed from the heat source. The takeaway. By incorporating these simple strategies into your daily routine, you can transform your kitchen into a heaven of energy efficiency. Not only will you see a significant reduction in your electricity bills, but you'll also be contributing to a greener planet. So, the next time you step into your kitchen, remember, small changes can lead to big results. Embrace smart cooking techniques and become an energy-saving kitchen hero.